9-year-old Joey was asked by his mother what he learned in Sunday school.
"Well, Mom,"
Joey said,
"we learned that God sent Moses on this rescue mission to go behind enemy lines to rescue the Israelites out of Egypt. When they got to the Red Sea, Moses had these engineers build this super cool bridge so they could get over it, and all the people could get over to the other side safely. And then he used his walkie-talkie to call in an airstrike to blow up the bridge, and then all the Israelites were saved."
"Now, Joey," his mother said, "is that really what your Sunday school teacher taught you?"
"Well, no, Mom,"
Joey said, "but if I told you the way our teacher told it, you really wouldn't believe it."